Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Shreyash, second year student at Zeal College of Engineering and Research from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch. My group members are Rishikesh, Mugdha, Mihir and Manish, and we are headed by our PBL guide Professor Ankita Patil ma'am. Our PBL topic is face recognition using Python. For this project, all you need is to install OpenCV from pip command in Windows prompt. After installation of OpenCV library, go and type your command and you are good to go. For this project, the code looks like as shown on the screen.